What's up, guys? So today we're looking at a knife that I just recently got in trade. This is a Busse Max Duty, or Busse. Some people say Busse. So right off the bat, let me know, is it Busse #1 or Busse #2? Anyway, strong following. I've known about this company for many, many years. I've probably had 3 of their knives. They make fantastic fixed blades. This one was offered to me, and I was very interested because I like the smaller size. I wanted to carry this as a neck knife. I got a pretty good deal on this in the trade because there's no tip, which is a shame. So this is a custom shop. So this one is in LMAX, all right, which we know to be a great steel. I'm not exactly sure what happened to this, but clearly you can see there's no longer a tip. So just giving you a quick view at the knife, but this is basically part 1 of what is this company going to do to rectify the situation. I've done warranty videos on a couple major companies before. Although I've had a couple models from this company, I've never had one break. So I've never, had any kind of experience with their customer service. So you can let me know down below if you've ever had an issue and what they did or did not do for you. But I sent them an email explaining the entire situation, and that was about 2 days ago. Still no response, but it is the weekend, so I'll give them that. But if I get an update, we'll see what happens. If I can't contact them through email, I'll try to call if they have a number somewhere, or maybe contact them through other social media outlets. But either way, very interested in using this knife. I did do some cutting. There, obviously most of the blade is still there, and it is a workhorse. It's a very cool knife, but it would be even cooler if it actually had a tip. So anyway, I just wanted to show the knife first, how it is right now, and do a little mini series on their warranty department. We're going to see what they're going to do to remedy the situation. But down below, #1, let me know what you think about the pronunciation. Clearly, there's a right and wrong way to say it. I'm not sure which one's which. Like I said, I've always personally said Busse as opposed to Busse. But regardless, you can let me know what you think. And yeah, I want to be able to use this knife in the future. So let me know down in the comment section if you have a couple knives from this company, what you think of it. I know that some people are hardcore fans, like die-hard fanboys, just like Spyderco or Benchmade or any other company. But I've had a couple different friends that's all they bought. As far as fixed blades, if it wasn't a Busse, it wasn't good. That's how they looked at it. So yeah, big reputation with the company, but we'll see. Let me know what you think down below. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.